Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to import template kit using Royal Addons Elementor plugin. Here you can see this one is the my demo website. Now let me go in website dashboard, and here let me show you I have installed Asta WordPress theme. You can install this theme free of cost. After that you can go in plugin sections and make sure that you have installed Elementor page builder. Let me show you this one. I don't have installed it. Let me go and search for Elementor. Let me install it. The next plugin is this one, Royal Addons for Elementor. Here you can go and type Royal Addons. You can install it from here. Here you can check the plugin ratings and installations. So now we need to activate Elementor plugin. This one. Let me go back to the plugin settings. Okay, we have installed Elementor plugin as well as Royal Addons plugin. Now simply you can go to plugin settings. You can allow it. After that, here you can see these are different professional themes that you can use for different type of businesses. So I want to use this one, digital agency. Simply you can go and click here and import template kit. So this one is recommended if you have installed different plugins, then you can deactivate some plugins. After that you can reactivate that plugins. Simply you can go and click on OK button. Now here you can see it has started working on it. It will install all the required plugins and then it will import demo content that you can easily change using Elementor page builder. So within couple of seconds, here you can see the website is ready to use. You can view it from here. So guys, here you can see website looks very professional. All the sections contains animated effects, and on the top here we have header menu. You can also check different other pages, but before that let me scroll down. Here you can see call to action button with hover effects, menu with underline effects. Here you can check other pages. Okay, this one is the typing effect and this one is the animation effects. Wow, that's great. All the sections contain animation effects. You can also check the responsiveness for mobile devices as well as tablet devices. Here we can go and check it on the 480. this one. Everything looks great.